Bum 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 bum. Hey people! Hey people, welcome back to my channel. And today we are gonna be playing. What's it called? Yup, Tornado Alley. I want you guys to hit the like button and subscribe. So this is glitch. I'm gonna have to restart my character. It's been glitching a lot. Dude, like my phone is literally so crazy, bro. Now, I want you guys to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. And let's just get to it. Let's just play Tornado Alley in peace and no music or anything. Because it's been a rough time due to COVID and all that crazy shenanigans, okay? I want you guys to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and let's get into this. Emergency alert system, disaster immune. It's a hurricane. I've never seen a hurricane before. Okay, yeah, it's too loud. It's too loud. Okay, so let's just do it. Let's just do it. Okay? There's a disaster occurring. What is it? Oh my god, bro. Will someone help? We have confirmed the hurricane Tella is a category 4 tornado. Well, not category 4. It's a category 4. Dude, it's a Tella? That's what it's called, maybe? Yeah, that's weird. There was one called Hurricane Neptune before that, and it's crazy, bro. Okay? Whoa, look at that wind. Oh my god! Dude, there's someone on the tree. What is that? That's so crazy. That's just dumb. I'm like, oh look, I don't know what happened. Dude, I think it's network or something. I don't know. Oh, you can't do this, but I'm literally gonna. Dude, there's something in the way. There's like a hurricane tower. What was that? Am I torquey? So we're going first person. This is kind of boring. Not gonna be honest. It's kind of boring. I do not like it. Yep. I do not like it. I don't like it. Okay. Hurricane Tella, category 4. And you might know that I've been watching Twilight and none of it is about Twilight. Oh my god, I don't know why. They're like so good. Okay. Did I just die? Oh, my head! What is it there? Yep. Oh, it's now a category 3 tornado. Well, not tornado. What am I gonna do? I'm not gonna enter map. I want to see what has changed. Whoa. Emeralds and redstone and diamonds and uglies and uglies and uglies and uglies. All-time fan art. That's cool. 2018 to 2020. Let's go. 2020 was a bad year. 6? Dude, that's cold. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. Wow. It's too. I'm gonna be dying right here. Oh, why is grass here? 4 perished, which is like 4 people died or something. Dude, that was crazy. Look, I literally bounced. Do you see? Oh, yeah. Wow, those are the whole people that survived. Oh, not really. There's like 4 people that survived. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 4 people survived. Dude, I'm literally so weird. Intermission, map voting in progress. Please wait. There might be one problem though. We have I'm gonna give you guys 3 seconds to subscribe. In 3, 2, 1, there. Did you subscribe in time? Because if you did, then you are a legend. That's what people say. Okay. Before rounds tip, normal players can equip the 1 upgrade and 1 effect. I effect that I could be immortal? No? Okay. Sad. Guess I'm going to Blocks University. Because that's what a lot of people... I think that's new. I don't know. I don't think so. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Vote for a map. Vote for a map. Vote, 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 vote for a map. Vote for a map. Vote for a map. Vote, vote, vote for a map. Okay. Vote for a map, guys. How to play, I already know. Is that the Statue of Lib... Sorry, I got carried away. I'm just so excited to play this game. I haven't played this game like about... FireNado. What? FireNado? Dude, these are crazy names. Oh, I thought that was a tornado. That would be a weak tornado. Oh my god, look at this. I'm gonna do a circle. There. Did a circle. That's a big cloud, bro. It's a big cloud. That's also a big cloud right here. There. Right there. Put a circle. Boop. Okay. Oh. 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 Please tell me it's a tornado. I think it is. Because it says a NATO. I think that we have to go to the school of university. Because if we do, then we would have a likely percent chance to survive. Blink, blink. Yep. I can't believe it. Dude, oh no. There's an FireNado watch. I'm going inside because I do not want to die. Storm chasers, you could have good luck about this because I do not want to die. And I don't want to get burned. Oh, I might as well go outside because it might spawn on top of the house. So, where is it? Where is it? What? Oh my god, it's right there. Oh, okay. Yep. Okay, bye. Bye. So long, sucker. Dude, this is... Oh my god. It's literally a FireNado. Why don't they put a FireNado? Everything in flames. Dude, it's probably super hot. Probably like super hot. And whoever dies of this... Oh my god, it's literally so fast. Dude, it's so fast. Okay, yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead. Dude, why is it literally following me? It's like, nay, you're gonna... No, you run away from me. I'm running away from you. Died, couldn't survive, died, is not with us anymore. Got sent to their grave. Oh my god. Whoops. It's right there. 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 I'm drinking my Coca-Cola. I'm just gonna what I do right now. Not in this. Oh my god. I'm gonna do a big circle. There it is. I'm really a storm chaser. It's a beautiful sunny night. And the world is depending on us. Dude, what is... I think I just saw a guy moving. Oh, look. Oh, yeah. That was that guy. Valak. Loki, what are you doing? Took the... Kicked the bucket. Lived. Just kidding. Died. What? That's so funny. There it is. A beautiful... Yes, I think I'm gonna survive, maybe. Maybe I'm gonna survive. Uh-oh. I might survive, bro. Oh, yeah, there's like... Loki, you're such a... I'm following you, Loki, because you are from Marvel, and Marvel... No, it's actually Valak, I think. Sorry, I spelled that out. I'm running from you because I know where you go. Okay, so Black. I think we're gonna survive. I think it's just me and Black. Where is it? Oh no, it's someone else. I see someone else. Yay, we survived! We survived! Look, the thing is going away! Yay! still kind of creepy. I'm not gonna. Yay! Everyone, do a round of applause for Loki and me and someone else, or someone else and someone else. Yeah! Wahoo! But guys, that will do it for today's episode. I know it was just a short video, but next time it's gonna be a long video. Now, in about like tomorrow, maybe I'm gonna post a new video of Tony Plays a new series. Okay, no, bye!